Hello everyone, my name is Rob from Eatance product team. I welcome you all to Eatance Cakeshop demo administrator panel. Today we're going to learn more about our administrator panel, how we can complete the order or change and bulk status of the order, even add the customers or drivers to it. Let's get started with our administrator panel, logging in using the demo details. After login, you will come across to the dashboard of Eatance Cakeshop Administrator panel. As you can see, on the top right section, we have three of the menus which says multilingual is in English, French, where you can change your content tab, text tab to any different language if you have multilingual app. The notification sign shows all the orders which we have received so far to give you a ping about the current orders which has been placed by the customers. As a master admin, you can always update your profile. To make it more secure, you can update the password, you can change the name details directly from my profile section. Going back to the dashboard, most importantly, we have the slick menu bar and navigation on the left side, where you can click on the arrow and have the icons visible for all particular section and have the broader view of the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can always view all your stores which is added, all the users as a customer, drivers added, with all the orders has been updated or received so far. Further, we have added more of the sales navigation, where to understand how much revenue you have generated using this application. Further, you can know your past month sales, your current month sales, and the chart option as well. As you can see, the quick email options provide you the functionality to choose any of the template which you want to send any particular users. Even you can search for the users and define the group type of it to select or multi-select any user and submit directly from the dashboard. Notification is a push notification which you can send to your customers, to your users who are registered. You can create the notification by creating a title, a message, and selecting similarly this list of the users. As a store or as a cake shop admin, you are always looking forward to understand what are your orders has been received so far as in latest top 5 orders and the coupons which has been generated. In the system options, you can further select all the other details about the applications which you want to change. You can update your email address, you can update the site titles, the email address, even the commission of the delivery person. Most importantly, you can turn the notification sound off if it's buzzing in between. Let's go back to understand more about the user type. By clicking on user, you will have the two different sections of the user as in customers and drivers. You can click both of the management to update any particular type of the user. Let's get started with manage your customers. Manage customer will give you all the list of the customers has been added to the application or who has been registered so far. As an admin, you can always control your customers about their data. You can update their details, even you can add new customer directly by clicking on add button. You just need to fill some required information which will be their name, their number, email, and image if they have, and their password. By doing so, you can share this detail with your customers to log in into customer application. You can deactivate the customers, or even you can see the deleted profiles by the customers. You can also see the orders they have placed by any particular type of customers to know which customer is having more orders. You can see the addresses customers have saved so far. You can update the addresses as in controlling of master admin. Manage driver is the section where you create all of a driver or list all the drivers. You can see all the details about the drivers. Particularly, you can edit those details, you can block them or deactivate them. You can even view how much commission they have been received or any particular order for the particular deliveries. You can view the ratings and reviews of any particular users by clicking on review. You can always export the list of the drivers you wish to. Clicking on the add of drivers, it has a similar fields as the customer does, just the type will change as a driver. By clicking on brand button, you will able to view all the brands which are available in the applications as listed, or even you can create a new brand directly from here. Please note, brand are some of the product or customizable product which you are not creating from the stores or you are hiring from any other stores. You can create or resell those particular products or those particular cake items directly using the brand name. Clicking on add button, it will just give you the name as a title and the image, and if that is a feature product, the customer can directly view in the listing and don't look in the main navigation bar. Most importantly, the brand are the optional items which you are selling on top of what are all your cake items you are creating. Let's go to the store section, which is most important part of the application to manage any particular store. By clicking on store, as you can view, as is a single restaurant, as you can view, it's a single cake shop application. So you can just view your particular store which has been listed. However, by clicking on edit button, you can always edit all your details about the bakery or cake shop, as their name, phone number, email, image, the brands which you have selected to any particular categories, the address. Please do note the address is directly coming from the Google, so you don't have to type the full address or accurate address. If you just type the 387 Park Avenue, you will able to find the complete address from Google Maps supported. Here you don't have to fill all the details other than the city or zip code you want to change or update. As in store, you can always decide which of the food type you provide as in delivery or dine-in. Cake Shop is also providing an option where your customer is required to pay any kind of a service tax or service fee for the delivery charges. Here you can ask your customer to send the images with their order. By clicking on yes button for image customization, you are giving a functionality for the customer app to the users to upload the images while ordering. You can always add, edit, update your login hours for any particular day. Even you can delete any particular day by clicking on particular day and submit it, that this day the store will be closed. All this detail will be directly visible on the customer app as in store details. Food type. Food type is majorly used to categorize or filter any particular dish or any particular items you're selling. Even you can name them, even they can be registered as per the store which provide the food type. For adding a food tab, you can directly click on add button and you can name the food tab. However, you can define them which particular tab it belongs to. Let's understand the menu category. Menu category has been defined for the cake shop in two different ways. First, there could be a parent category and then it could be a subcategory. That's a two-level category what can be provided. For an example, Here we have birthday, or we can have cake, chocolates, cookies as in parent category. The subcategory will be the particular item, what you are going to sell or what you're going to define within the subcategory. By clicking on Add Category, you will able to view how you can create the category. Most importantly, whether the category is a parent category or is a subcategory. If it's going to be subcategory, you don't have to check this box. You simply needs to click on the drop down and select the parent category which it belongs to, and then name the category. Upload the image and you want to feature them in the home page of the store. By clicking on the parent category as a checkbox, you don't have to select any particular parent category, and instead you are creating that category. Manage store menu. Manage store menu is basically most important part of the business, where you list all your products, all your items. As you can see, all the items in any particular tab would be simply available in English and French, as the application comes multilingual. Here the price can be set and it will type with the store name involved to that particular category or particular item. You can update the status, update the stocks, and take the action to any particular type of the menu items. As you can see, the icon itself has a tooltip, so you can understand what exactly the icon means, where you can active, deactive any particular item. You can delete them. If you want to know the item is out of stock, you can directly click on this button where it says the item will be no more available to purchase. By clicking any particular menu item, you will able to view the complete list of the menu items what you have created. Let's understand step by step what exactly it includes. First of all, you have the store name, which will be by default your bakery shop name. The categories which you want to select as an option, as a parent category. A brand which it follows. If it doesn't, you don't have to mention a particular brand and you can give your brand name. You can name the particular product. If you have the SKU type, you have to mention any particular number for the product. You can do that. Add-on category is most important part in any particular menu item, which are the top selling as an add-on. As you can see, the cake or bakery item is available in two different sizes. So here you can define the particular add-on, and even you can give the multi-selection option for the user to select both of the option to purchase it. You can define the price, you can define the stock, which you can maintain it. So whenever the customer purchase, the stock get reduces and available stocks will be there for the customer to purchase. Most importantly, what we have done is provided the max sell option, where you can make sure the user don't purchase a particular more than for a certain number of stock for that particular item. So here you can give a max sell, for an example 50, and here we can see in stock as 93. Any of the customer can't select more than a 50 option, as a stock is in quantity for this particular item. You can add, update, delete any particular add-on categories you wish to. Further, we're going to learn about how to add the add-ons directly. Here you can set the price for the item, the details, if the food tab if have any categories, and the image upload option. You can define the image how it looks like and make sure it means as a popular item, or it simply goes in the menu card. Let's go in the menu again and see the add option looks like. It will have a similar fields but more of the blank fields. As you can see, by clicking on add menu, you will first get an option of a store name. If you have a branches, you will have the list of them as a single cake shop. Categories here are listed which has been created. You can select them. You can select the brands which you are selling. You can enable the product name or the cake name. You can give the SKU details, add-on as I mentioned. You can select multiple of them, or optional, the price detail, the food type of the drop-down. Rest all details remain the same. Let's understand Manage Item Suggestion. This is one of the best-selling features we have within the cake shop, where we provide the additional item for our store manager to upload while the customer is on the checkout. So let's say your customer has selected one of the options, and now they are going on the checkout option. In the checkout option, you can recommend few of the menu items which they can directly add to the product in the cart. As you can see, here are the check boxes. However, please note you can't select more than 3 items for the suggestion or the recommendation of the product. Let's understand the add-on categories, which is again very much dependent on the menu type. Here you can simply see the list of the add-on, but to add on the categories you just have to click on add button, give the name and click on submit. Let's understand more about the delivery charges. Delivery charges are zone-based charges. Let's say for an example, you are delivering your particular menu type in few of the different condition areas based on the seasonal. So let's say the zone 1 is your under the delivery charges, which does not include any other charges but the service fee to deliver. So if you get the order 1 for zone A, you will not able to charge them any other thing extra you want to. But let's say if you get the order from zone B, which is not comes under segment of delivery, but still you can provide a delivery charges to them so they can order it. Doesn't matter if they are nearby to the particular cake shop or not, they can still order it and get the delivery at that particular location. It does not require the restaurant has to be at that particular location, but you can create the zone based areas to charge them. So here you just need to create a store name, give the area name, and then you have to drag this button to many different levels to create the zone of that particular area. So for an example, this area 1, I'm giving the price of $20. Any of the order which will receive from this particular zone, we're going to charge them extra $20 for the delivery fee, as it might not be nearby or hot selling item for the particular location. Most importantly, we have also provided a time slot management for our customers. So as you as a cake shop can provide the slot based option for your customer to select for delivery option, where you can create endless time zones and give them an option to have the checkout. By clicking on add button on time slot, you just need to select the bakery and just need to select the timing from here, if it's a standard or midnight delivery. So the customer will select the time slot, which means they will not provide the app on particular runtime, they will get the delivery between that particular slot. Let's understand more about the orders, which is the heart of the application. Order management, it is required more to understand how many orders are receiving, what is the order status, how I can assign the drivers. Here, as in store, as a master admin, I can select a particular store and the type and give them a calendar date to export all the orders in CSV or spreadsheet. As you can see, here are the order list which has been received so far from the customer with the status update. You can select any particular order and give them any particular action. All the order state gives you the order number, their store name, the customer name, the order amount, order assigned to as a delivery person, order status, and particular slot time where they wish for the delivery. Order type could be defined if that the order is a delivery or for a pickup. Further, as you can see, there is an attachment option. This gives the customer to upload a particular image for the order they wish to design the cake for. You can view the status of the order. By clicking on View button, you will able to view the complete status of the order, what we have been received and what is the order item includes. On top of that, what are the charges which customer has paid. You can accept the order, you can reject the order, you can deactivate or reject the order, you can delete the order. Other options of the orders are you can view the complete history of the order, who has accepted, who is the driver, and who has changed the particular status of the order. By clicking on the icon, you can understand this is the delivery person whom you can assign it for a particular order. So as a master admin or the store management, you can assign a particular order to the driver which they can receive for the delivery option. You can filter the order by the status as well. Now let's go back again and try to understand more other functionality for the administrator panel. As you have been worked through on the dashboard, the coupon management. The coupon you can see which has been created, but in here you can view the complete list of the coupon which has been created within the application. If you wish, you can create a new coupon where you can directly select a coupon type which has been standard format. All the coupon format has their own algorithm setup. For example, I select the free delivery, I will select the coupon name, the store it applies to, if that a branch or main admin, the description, minimum order amount has to be to apply the coupon, and start and end date so you don't forget the coupon and keeps going on. You can all view the rating and reviews shared by your customers for the stores. So in rating and reviews, you can view the complete list what the customer is talking about you. You can also understand which of the customer has provided the review in case you want to serve them better or provide them referred tip. Notifications are the push notifications or the notification of the order which has been updated within the system. You can create new notifications by clicking on Add button. Most importantly, you can select multi users for one particular location, or you can create a group by selecting any particular user type. You can name them, title them, message about the notification what you are sending about, and save notification for future reference. Sliders are the main banner or cover images which comes for the restaurant to view. Here as a master admin, you can set up the coming soon or new cake type or any particular design you wish to keep as a cover page. So here the sliders will be added as much as you can, and it will be transitional banners, so the users can navigate these banners and see and try to understand if that is a coupon or if that is a coming soon or any message you want to deliver. By clicking on CMS option, those are the pages which has been created in the customer admin. As the mobile application for a customer to view. You can update it directly from here by clicking on Add button. Please note, all this content or all the updates what you do from the administrator are real-time run through the app. So you can change the title, you can change the text, you can update the image icon for it. As previously mentioned, system option is one of the setting part of the application where you can update the commission, most importantly for drivers and any particular item you want to update for your application, as in their link, their email address, their store link, their Facebook URL. You can use them for the system option. Email templates are the templates which have been generated from the system. For example, forgot password. For example, verify account. If you want to change any particular template content, you can click on edit and you can view the details where you can update the title, the subject, the message type. Even if you have a source file of the HTML file for the email template, you can click on source and update the source file as well. As you can see, by going through the demo, we received the 6 new orders. By clicking on icon tab, it will be directly taking you to order tab, where you can view all the latest orders which has been received so far and take action on them. This is all we have for the cake shop, but please stay tuned. We're going to keep on adding more functionality and more flexibility within the application for all our customers. If you have any questions, have any concerns, please do reach to us at info@eatanceapp.com or info@evdpl.com. Thank you everyone for your time. Hello everyone, this is Rob from Eatance product team. I welcome you all today to Eatance Cakeshop customer mobile application demo. Thank you everyone for showing the interest to our Eatance product. Please do note, our customer mobile application and web administrator is available for the demo for your further explore purpose. You can download the customer mobile application, even the driver application from the respective store. You can use our demo details to explore further about the application. As you can see, the Eatance Cakeshop has come with the complete branding and complete functionality. Altogether, we're going to explore in the customer mobile application today. However, we do also provide a branding setup and installation services. In the branding, we can replace the logo and skin color as per your country brand. So now let's get started with customer mobile application. Please do note the customer can always skip the option of sign in or sign up and view all the available items to order. However, they can't successfully place their order without having the login. So in regards to place an order, they have to use the sign up and sign in option. In the sign up, as you can view, you can upload the profile image, you can have the name, email, phone number, and password as a mandatory option. Most importantly, as per the GDPR compliance, we have added terms and policy box to check for any of the users who are submitting their details. They can click on terms of use and view the complete detail about that particular page in regards to before sign up. So let's get started with the sign in option using our demo details. After using the demo details, you have to click on sign in and you will be able to explore the store of the complete Eatance bakery or cake shop, where in the customer, as you can view the complete details about the store, their address, their contact number to connect with, their location directly from Google Maps, their ratings, their opening and close times. On the top right bar, there is a search option where you can search the product directly using the option. It has a direct auto-filling product name or titles fetching what you're typing. You can view the further slot option which are available for the delivery purpose. On the top left side, there is a menu navigation which we have been provided for shifting any of the pages they wish to. As a customer, I will update all the details to make sure my order process goes right with adding the addresses directly from my profile, clicking on my image or my details and by address. Here I can change the address or keep the default address by selecting one. Use the payment option. I can also change the language of the application from here, sign out or delete my profile for GDPR compliances. Let's go back on the home page of the cake shop, where we can view all the items available by the category, all the items which are products available for you directly to order. By clicking on a particular product, you will be able to view the complete details about the product and directly add them. You can review the comments provided by all the other customers. You can also shop by the brand if the store is selling any particular different brand, cakes or any particular items. Now let's get started for building one of the orders. Looking at the product for you, I will be clicking any of the product and adding to the cart. Taking the category option, I can see all the items, all different products available. I can see all the filter areas which has been provided. In the top right corner, there is a filter sorting bar, just provided by the product or by the item type as well. As you can see, all have the customization available. By clicking on any particular product add to cart, you will be able to see the customization option available. If you're ordering that particular product in particular different sizes, different types, or any particular add-ons you are requesting to deal with. Continuing the product, as you can take all the section, if you can update the images as well. If it does not allow you to update the image, it will let you know previously. Let's go to the cart part here, and we can view all the products which are available or added from the following. As a customer, I can always add, update or delete the product. Further, I can click on product by messages to let the store know about how it is going on to be as my complete product. I can give any special instructions as well here. Clicking on continue, I will be able to see if the order I want to take as a pickup, delivery, or it's a midnight delivery for any kind of celebration. I can update my address by clicking on change address, which will take you to again profile option and start the order again. Here I'm selecting my default address and using a cash on delivery option for now. If your application comes with the payment gateway integrated, your customer will also able to view pay online option. By clicking on continue, you will be able to view the checkout option, where you can update your product again. You can view all the details about the subtotal, any charges if it is involved, or any of the promo code you want to apply to. Let's go ahead, place the order. Before placing your order, the system will ask you to take a photograph if you want to print it on any particular cake. By clicking on OK, it will give you the option to drop down the images or capture any particular image from your phone. By taking an image option, you will be able to continue to place your order. After successfully placing the order, you will redirect to the thank you page, where you can click on track your order. From here, you will be redirected to the in process order, where you're able to see your complete order details again and the complete status of that particular order. Even you can view the comments you have mentioned for the order or the image you have updated. Most importantly, if the order is accepted from the store or cake shop, you will be able to see the further status of that particular order step by step. In the past order, you can view all the details about the order in past, what you have done, and what is the status of that particular order. Most importantly, you can see how the payment mode was, and you can repeat the order directly from here. You wish to call them, you can contact the store directly by clicking on icon on the top right corner and call the store after placing the order or about the past orders. As you can see, the in-process order has some of the orders which we are not accepted yet. If your store directly accept any particular order, you will able to view the complete status update or push notification about the order. For an example, if we talk about the first order which is not accepted and accepted by the store from this administrative panel, you will receive the notification directly in your mobile application as push notification. The order has been updated. Similarly, if the order status has been changed and updated to any particular stage, you will able to view all the details like the order has been delivered. And the order will move down to the past order section. Let's go and explore more about the menu navigation section which we have. So as we were in the orders earlier, in the my orders, all the section you're able to view here. We can click on the account type to update any particular contact details or particular language directly from here as mentioned earlier. By clicking on notification, you can view all the notification you have received from the administrator or by the stores. By clicking on rate us, you can rate the store, the application directly from the store, and you can share the application to all of your colleagues, friends, or anyone you wish to. Clicking on About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, Terms of Use pages. Those are the CMS pages the customer can view and more knowledge about your particular brand, which can be again directly updated from master admin from the administrator panel. All has the real-time update. That's all we have for the Cake Shop application. As a customer app, we will keep on adding multi other features and explaining you all the other functionality through the demo. Thank you again for all your time.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob from Eatance product team. I welcome you all to Eatance Cakeshop delivery application demo. Today we're going to learn about the delivery application, mobile application provided to delivery executive who can accept the order, who can deliver the order and update the status for delivery done. Before we get started, let me tell you the application which is already available over the store. You can use the application while using our demo login details and explore further about the live application from your end. All the delivery applications which has been provided, please do note the base of the product does not provide any kind of a sign-up option for delivery executive. The delivery login is only created by master admin from administrative panel and shared to the delivery person, who can further download the app and use the login credential to start providing the delivery services. However, the delivery person can always click on Forgot Password to regenerate the password and log in again to the application. Let's get started using the demo details for now. After login, the delivery executive will be able to view all the list of the orders which they have received. Most importantly, they have to take the action on the orders. The section has been created in two different panels: current orders and past orders. On the left side, top left column, is the menu navigation. After clicking on that, the delivery executive will be able to find other sections of the mobile application, such as My Account, My Earnings. They want to rate or share the application. The other pages, such as About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, Terms of Use, which are again managed by the administrator, and Sign Up option. Delivery executive can always toggle in, on, and off for the availability. If they offline the availability, it means the driver is not available and no order can be assigned to them. If they toggle on, that means the driver is yet available and available to make the delivery of the packages. By clicking on the name and email address, the delivery executive will be able to view their profile. From there, they can edit their name only. They can't edit their email address or phone number as that been used for the registration purpose. However, they can update the display pic. If they require, they can upload a profile picture directly clicking on the camera sign. Further, going to the My Account section, the delivery executive will be able to edit the profile. They can change the password. If the application is available in multilingual, they can select any other language or sign out the application. Now let's try to understand by clicking on the home page option to view all the listing how exactly the delivery has been taken care of. Now clicking on any particular order, they will be able to see that this order has been assigned to them on particular locations where they are. However, they will be able to view the customer details where they need to deliver this order. They will be able to view the contact person, their address, list date for the delivery, the date, and if it is a cash to collect for cash or delivery, they will be able to view the amount. They can click on the store details where they can view all the details about the store where they have to pick up the package from. Certainly they have to view the listing of the store as in store name, their location, the date, and the cash to collect for the order. By clicking on the call icon, the delivery executive can able to talk to the store directly. They can click on open map to view the particular location or direction to the particular store. Most importantly, they can accept or reject the order on the purpose if they are going to deliver this order or not. Clicking on the top bar, they will be able to view all the product details of that particular order. Let's go back and see what is actually provided when we are able to view the past orders. As a delivery executive, I will be able to view all my past order which has been delivered. However, in this case, what mostly I will be able to see as a delivery executive would be about the details of the orders and not about the customer or anything more about the store. They will be able to see the product, what they have been delivered or cancelled, rejected, their amount, and if there is any earning or commission to that particular order. When we click on my navigation bar and click on my earnings, it will take you to particular all the order details again, where you can view all the orders you have delivered with the same details for the image of the product, the store name, deliver status on the date, and their earning with the product price. Delivery application does come with other functionalities, and the user can always rate the application, share the application, or even they can read the about us, contact us, privacy policy, or terms of use pages. That would be all for now for the delivery application. However, stay tuned with us as we are more updating our applications on monthly basis. Thank you for all your time and you have a good day.